Hi Claire, my name's Christian Rena with RenGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So you're not going to be playing the game of who paid the most money this month to get the most leads or get the best leads. The leads are going to be yours because it's your website. First of all, I'm really glad to see the fact that I can show that you're letting everybody know that you're a realtor. So Claire Pride, Keller Williams, Realtor. Awesome. Believe it or not, a lot of realtors don't even have the fact that they're a realtor on their Facebook page, which is just beyond me, the fact that you're a realtor and you want to make money in real estate, but yet you don't have the fact that you're a realtor on your Facebook page. But you do, so I'm really glad to see that. Awesome. I didn't see the fact that you had a website. So I don't see a website anywhere. So I'm not going to use your website for this video because I don't see that you even have one. So we're not going to use that for this video. Moving forward, we're going to talk about citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All of those are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So I typed in Jackson, Mississippi Realtors. We have Central Mississippi Realtors. We have DST. We have Charlotte Smith Real Estate. Okay. We don't have Keller Williams in here. So again, I'm not sure how much value or how many leads you're actually getting from Keller Williams specifically. But also, as you can see, the Keller Williams isn't even on this first page anywhere. So again, like I said, I don't know how much value that's bringing you or if you do have your own Keller Williams site. But more importantly than that, I want to point out that there's individual realtors that have Google My Business page. So Damon Wofford. We have Kathy, Harkins Kathy. Harvey White. So you don't have to be a broker to have a Google My Business page. That's what I want to point out. So for this video, we're going to use Harkins Kathy. So this is Harkins Kathy. This is her Google My Business page. This is what it looks like. Pretty basic. A couple things I want to point out. She actually has no reviews on her Google My Business page. So obviously get one. And then this is what it's going to look like. And then we recommend 25 minimum reviews. So Kathy has no reviews. We recommend 25 minimum. So obviously if you had 1 or 2 reviews, you're going to beat Kathy with your citations. You know, it'd be pretty easy to rank up above her. But 25 reviews is the number we shoot for. And then also these photos. So as you can see, there is a Google Drive-By photo that is for this realtor. But she has only one photo right here, CH and Company. And so we recommend 10 photos. So we want to see you having 10 photos and then saving those photos the right way. So if you had a website, I would have talked about it. But bottom line is this. Search engines read how your photos are saved on the back end. So a lot of times when we upload photos to a computer, the computer creates a file name for that photo that you don't specify. So a lot of times it's just random letters and numbers, and you know, we don't choose that. So if a search engine's reading how your photo's saved on the back end, obviously it would behoove us to make sure that we put proper content in those photos to make sure that it helps us bring value and helps us rank. So we recommend 10, and it counts for Google My Business too. So we recommend 10 photos, 25 reviews. I did want to use her website for this video. This is very basic. I wouldn't recommend even doing one like this, but this is one that she has. So, chandcompany.net. So this is what it is, but I don't think this is bringing her much value, but she does have one, so I would suggest getting one. But what I do want to use her website for is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your URL is at. So anywhere that chandcompany.net or clairepride.com or whatever you have your website be, you're going to want to get backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to keep in mind that you want to get your backlinks from sites that are relevant to the real estate industry and sites that are not spamming. That's what's important. Not all backlinks are created equal. So as you can see, Harkins Kathy has a website. She has 65 backlinks from 11 referring domains, but her domain rating is only a 1.2. So that's a 1.2 out of 100, and so very low. A lot of room to grow. It would be fairly easy to beat Harkins Kathy out of the water with her Google My Business page with very little photos and no reviews. But I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business to bring you some leads this upcoming season. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. Thank you very much for watching.